Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MACDAS indicator. But first I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested 246 indicators. And out of those 246 indicators, 95 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 95 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today we will be testing the MACDAS indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, the MACDAS indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. It is very similar to the standard MACD indicator. The MACD indicator uses, I believe, a simple moving average, if I'm not mistaken. It's either a simple or a smooth. I'm pretty sure it's a simple moving average or standard moving average. This particular version, the MACDAS, actually uses the exponential moving average, so the EMA instead. Now, for those of you who have watched the rest of the videos on the channel, you know that we did a kind of head-to-head of moving averages a while back to kind of see which moving average would perform the best. And out of all the moving averages that we had tested at that time, the exponential moving average was one of the best. And so it only stands to reason that if the exponential moving average was one of the best moving averages, then applied to the MACD, it is very likely that it could help to increase the reliability of the MACD itself. And so on that note, I mean, the signals are pretty easy. when the MACD line crosses the signal line, that is when it crosses up above, that is a signal to go long. When it crosses down below, that is a signal to go short. And so just like we tested the standard MACD way back when we first started the channel, that's how we are going to test this particular MACD as well. And so let's get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so we pick up a short right here. Let's see. Looks like, unfortunately, that one did get us stopped out. Did not quite go our way, but then eventually it was able to break down and make its way down. Now, I will note about this indicator is that the creator of the indicator said that using the EMA actually sped up the signals that the MACD would give. And so it's very possible, and we kind of see that back here on this side as well, it's very possible that it may be getting us in right as it's really starting to read that a reversal is coming in the near future, instead of reading it as a reversal taking place at that exact moment. Not really sure yet. Let's go ahead and keep playing it out and see what happens. And so we pick up another signal right there. And unfortunately, that one does not get us to take profit either. Then over here on this side, we pick up a signal right there. That one actually appears to have gotten us to take profit. Yep, 60 pips. So that one actually got us to take profit that time. And then over here, we pick up a long signal. Let's see. Right here on that one, actually. And that one also gets us to take profit. So let's go ahead and keep playing it out here. Pick up a short over here on this side. Let's double check that measurement there. There to there. And that one does also barely get us to take profit. We then get a long over here on this side. Unfortunately, flips, gives us a short signal there, and then flips again, giving us a long signal there. Then it flips one more time back here. I think this would have probably stopped us out there. Yep, it sure did, unfortunately, stop us out. Continue on, pick up a long right there, same deal, gets us stopped out. A short here. That one does pretty decent. Playing it out here. Pick up a long right there. And that one gets us to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the video out here, so that way it doesn't get too long. We'll pick up when we get closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish up the last couple of signals here. See what we get. It's really unfortunate timing right there. We would have entered right before that massive wick took place on that candle. Definitely stopping us out on that one. And actually, that would have been outside of the year. So we would not have taken that one on this test. Let's see here. So that does put us at the end of the year there. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we get out of the MACDAS. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It is unfortunate because, as I said, what I noticed is that not always, but a decent amount of the time, this was acting more as a leading indicator than it really was kind of a in the moment indicator. And so it would give a cross and then it would take a little while, but then eventually, after not too much movement in that current direction, it would then reverse and take off in the direction that the indicator was showing. And so I thought it would do a little bit better than this, but yeah, unfortunately, it's going to have to go on the no list for now, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.